Instant cold packs are compact, ready-to-use cold therapy options that deliver fast relief the moment you need it the most. This is a single-use disposable cold pack that activates in seconds. Inside is a water pouch and chemical mix. When you squeeze or fold the pack, the internal barrier ruptures, triggering a chemical reaction that rapidly lowers in temperature. Because it doesn't require ice, freezing or refrigeration or any preparation, it's ideal for first aid kits, sports bags, vehicles, workplaces, or anywhere you might need immediate cold therapy. Instant cold therapy is a tried and true first aid measure that helps reduce swelling and inflammation. Applying cold slows blood flow to the injured area, helping limit swelling and internal bleeding in soft tissue injuries. Numb pain and ease soreness. Cold helps dull pain signals and soothe pain from sprains, strains, bruises, muscle aches, and overuse injuries. And finally, speed up early recovery by reducing swelling and limiting tissue damage soon after the injury, or overuse of cold therapies can prevent long-term problems. Because the instant cold pack is portable and activates in seconds, it's especially useful for sports injuries, sprains, strains, bruises, and impact injuries, workplace bumps, knocks, or minor accidents, outdoor activities like hiking, gardening, and DIY, and finally travel or remote situations where ice or refrigeration isn't available. To use the pack safely and effectively, first activate it by squeezing or folding it sharply to break the internal pouch, and then gently shake it to mix the contents. Apply to the affected area. Cold packs are most effective when placed over the injury or over the sore muscle. Use a barrier if necessary. Ideally, wrap the pack in a thin cloth or towel before placing it on the skin, especially if the pack is very cold. This helps prevent skin irritation or frost-type damage. Limit the duration for about 15 to 20 minutes of time. Overuse can damage tissues or sensation. As the pack is single use only, once used, dispose of it. Avoid using cold packs if the area has open wounds or broken skin, the injury is inflamed or bleeding severely. In those cases, seek medical help. The person has poor circulation or a cold sensitivity like vascular conditions or diabetes, where cold therapy may not be suitable. And finally, the pack feels uncomfortably cold or you notice numbness when you must remove it immediately.